Hey everyone, back with another video. Welcome to Red Repairs. We'll be doing some work in this Toyota Estima today. This work is a little bit different than any other normal work that we do in cars. So this is regards to the steering. It's got a electric assisted steering system, and it got a bushing in between when it goes through the housing, and that bushing is broken, and that's why like it's making it's creating vibration and making some sound. So we will be removing it today. It's a little bit different, but something new for us. So let's see how we go. We'll show you how to do it, as there is not much video about this Estima. It's a Japanese import as well, so I will show you how it's done.
Alright, so this is the 2010 Toyota Estima. So the problem we have is this knocking noise. It's coming from the power steering motor, in between the motor where there's a damper sits in between. So this is squashed, so we need to replace that. So we're going to show you how to do this job. So we need to take these panels off, and then we'll have access to the motor itself. So we'll show you now. Obrigado. এটার কেমনে খুলে জানোস নাকি?
দেখি ছোড়া দাও তুই। কোনটা খুলবো?
ওই যে ওয়্যারিংটা।
লাইনটা?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
Okay, so when we're removing that harness, there is a really weird plug, and it's very confusing like how you remove it. So the easy way is use a flathead screwdriver, and there is a small notch. It's a white notch, so just pry it open. So once it's open, it's out, and then use your fingers, and then it's open.
Right, so this steering, the whole column is holding by these 3 bolts. There's one on the 2 on the top, and one right behind the uni joint, right above there. And then you need to take this bolt out, so then the whole steering column will come out with the motor.
Okay, so we have removed the steering housing here. You can see there's the electric motor hanging, and there's the shaft area which connected to the column. So this thing rotates, and that motor rotates that thing. So there is a damper there. So the damper is this one, so we're replacing the new damper. So this one sits inside this housing, and when these dampers are bad, they started play and they give you that horrible shaking sound. So but apparently the damper in this one was very good. There was no problem whatsoever. But now we think the problem might be the universal joint, which is down there. We'll open and inspect it. Both of the joints one in this one, the other is the bottom one. You see my light pointing there, so they can create some play. Let's see, we need to diagnose it further. Okay, so after replacing the bushing, the problem is still there, because as I mentioned previously, the problem was with the universal joint that is in. So one joint is here and the other joint is on the top. I forgot to show you the video. There was some play between the joints. When you rotate, you can feel it, you can see it actually, like it's like a cross member. One of the cross members are shaking. So this is a shaft assembly, this one. I'm pointing the lights. So we need to change the whole thing, and you can get it from Toyota or any other aftermarket place. And the whole assembly will come as it is, with one universal joint on the bottom, the other one on the top, and you can just swap it, and hopefully the problem will go.